Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Swiss+Tech 17-in-1 multipliers. Let's open it. So we have here some cards. And an instruction flyer. And we have the tool itself. So it has this stone washed finish which should hide scratches very well. It's held together by Torx screws. These are regular Torx screws. There's no center post, unlike the Leatherman Wave. So you should be able to use regular Torx drivers. The handle has this stamping, textured stamping, and of course the Swiss+Tech branding. So we have a knife blade, plain edge with a spear point tip. The thumb opening hole has chamfering, so it shouldn't cut your fingertip. And it has this decorative grinding on one side. It has a liner lock, so that should prevent it from closing. And then we also have this serrated sheep's foot blade. Similar chamfering on the hole. Liner lock also. And a wood saw blade. It looks like it's got pretty good teeth. A diamond coated file on one side, and on the other side a wood file. This is definitely not a saw. There's practically no teeth here. And we have the star of the show, the pliers. So it's a long nose pliers with a bolt gripper here, soft wire cutter, hard wire cutter, and there's a crimper. It looks good. There's no movement, but I think that's fine. And we have a flat edge screwdriver. So there's a locking mechanism here. It's a lockback. Here's a closer look at the lockback mechanism. And then a Phillips screwdriver. I think you should be able to attach a bit driver extender here. And a smaller Phillips screwdriver. They go together. And then if you want to use a smaller screwdriver, you just close the big one. On the other side, we have the scissors, spring-loaded. And then we have a smaller flat edge screwdriver with box openers and a seatbelt cutter. And finally, we have this bottle opener, can opener, and also a wire stripper here. It also has a ruler, inch scale, and centimeter scale. So it goes from 0 to, so it goes up to around 8 inches and around 20 centimeters. So it looks like a good tool. It's definitely a clone of the Leatherman Wave, whose patent has expired, by the way. And in terms of features, it's somewhere between the Leatherman Wave, the original Leatherman Wave, and the new Wave. That's it for my unboxing and overview of the Swiss+Tech 17-in-1 multi-tool. Thank you for watching.